All right, I'm gonna make some Crockpot chicken soup. It's gonna be so good. I take a Walmart or Food Lion pre-roasted day-old chicken. It's if you buy a hot one, it's like $8 or $9. If you get a cold one, it's only $3. So I got me a $3 pre-roasted chicken. I'm going to add mixed vegetables because I really like them. You see all the vegetables. A few potatoes, a bit of an onion, cream of mushroom soup, family size, cream of chicken soup, family size, reduced sodium chicken broth, and these simple spices. Now, you don't see any salt anywhere. In fact, that's actually reduced sodium chicken broth. So that's how I'm going to do it. And I got a little crock pot, so I can't really get the whole chicken, but I'm going to get most of that chicken and put it in there, all right? So I'll get back to you. I'm going to debone that chicken with my little dish there, and I'll get back with you when I got it all ready to go. All right, I got this $3 chicken. Now, you can pay $8 for a hot one, but then you got to let it cool down so you can debone it. So I just got a cold one. I'm going to go ahead and debone a little over half of this. And I'm going to hold the skin. I'm going to get the skin as big a piece as I can. I'm going to put that in there as well. But then right before we eat, I'm going to fish that big piece of skin out because it's good flavoring, but you don't want to eat it, okay? All right, I'll be right with you as soon as I get this deboned. All right, I got all the chicken chopped up. Now, if you'll notice real close, I have the skin in the biggest pieces as I can find because I'm going to fish those out after it gets finished cooking. I'll fish them out with a fork because we don't want to eat those, but they're so full of flavor, so we're going to use them for that. All right, I'm about to put all this chicken in the crock pot now. Damn, you can't hardly see that crock pot. There it is. There's crock pot. I'm going to put all that chicken in the crock pot, and I'll be right back with you. Here's a half a chopped onion that after thoroughly cleaning my chopping slab, I chopped up that onion. Now, I'm going to add vegetables. I'm going to add a few potatoes. And I'm going to put on my 2 soups. And the very last thing I'm going to do, after I put everything else in there, including the spices, then I'm going to put the chicken broth in there. I'll be right with you. So my recipe has about 2 big spoonfuls of minced garlic, red pepper, and black pepper. No salt. And remember, I use low sodium chicken broth, okay? Because I ain't trying to kill myself. Okay, I've got everything in there except the chicken broth. So now I'm going to add chicken broth. Okay, this is the Crockpot dish. I'm about to put it on there. Y'all saw all the ingredients. I've added just enough chicken broth so it'll make a nice, beautiful soup. All right, and I'll see you in a little while, y'all. Enjoy. I'll put the recipe in the comments. It's a real simple, so delicious. Now, everybody's recipe is going to be the same. You don't have to put red pepper and black pepper, but I suggest just lay off the salt until you taste it. This is one of my favorite meals. I'll eat this for 3 or 4 days. Oh yeah, and now I got enough chicken left over. Still got a half a chicken left. I can make chicken sandwiches and delicious, hearty, warm, stewy soup. Chicken vegetable soup. 3 kinds of vegetables. Oh, bon appetit.